goddamn drag racing, I swear.
Did that just happen?
Show me the peripheral.
What if staring at the sun actually fixed like poor eyesight, but we never knew because everyone said don't look at the sun?
If it's anything like Soupy told me to look into the thing he was welding, I don't think it's got that effect. Welcome back to This Versus That, brought to you by our friends at NOS, who keep this party rolling and keep it free for you guys. Anyway, got a sick lineup today. Ron, I know you're happy. This is both vehicles that I know you would do.
Right up my alley.
Big wagon, legendary street race car. I'm about it.
We got Fox body, we got CTS-V wagon with a 6-speed.
Baby daddy caddy.
Hey, how many illegitimate kids you got?
No kids, man.
Wrong car.
Do you mind introducing yourself and tell us what you have brought here? Damn, look at the amount of metal flake.
Check it out. My name is Michael. I'm from NorCal. This is my 2012 CTS-V wagon. It's a 6-speed manual, and it's a black diamond tri-coat car. So
is this a factory paint job?
Yeah, it's factory.
Yes,
Yo, look at this. Is like damn near bass boat.
What's a black diamond tri-coat? Is that the paint?
Yeah, it's the paint. That's what the paint's called. That's why if you look at it like a diamond ring and it like, you know, it reflects. It looks like kind of like diamonds. It's kind of what they
fire.
Show does.
Can you pop the hood? Can we get right down to business?
Yeah. It is a stock stroke LSA, forged internals with a ported blower, Mantic twin disc clutch, big injectors, and E85.
What kind of power is it?
It put down just shy of 800 wheel and then just shy of 800 foot-pounds of torque. When I got it, it was a stolen recovery car. The car was stripped, and then I acquired a donor car from Copart, bought a manual wrecked car that was rolled over, and put the whole drivetrain in this thing.
Was it originally an automatic?
It was originally an automatic car. I converted it to 6-speed, like using all OEM parts. Yeah, it operates like as it came off the factory line as a manual. So
what does it cost to acquire a rolled over CTS-V?
I paid $11,000 for a wrecked CTS-V, a manual CTS-V, but this is before the inflation hit. I got it all running. I had it running as a stock LSA car, and then I acquired a built motor, and then just kind of went off the rockers. Built ported blower, big intake, ZL1 lid. Water box with a front intercooler to keep it cool, and then full exhaust. It's got Corsa mufflers on it.
What's the weight on this thing?
Probably like 4,300 pounds. It's got a full tank of gas in it too, so.
Which isn't a bad thing, especially when you're out here on the unprepped surface.
Yeah, I'm hoping it hooks. You know, it's rear-wheel drive.
We've seen some heavy cars hook and go.
Yeah, I mean, hey, that's the plan. You know.
Have you tracked this thing?
Never dragged this car. I've actually drifted it more than I've drag raced it. It's on a drag pack now, so I could make it happen out here. But
all leather interior.
It's actually not just leather. It's Alcantara and leather, and uses mahogany wood inserts in the doors.
Rich mahogany.
Mahogany.
It's pretty fancy. I mean, there's not many cars you can buy that are a station wagon, supercharged V8, and a manual. It's got a 6-piston Brembos in the front. Like
big sunroof, the panoramic roof.
Yeah, panoramic roof. Like,
the great thing is it's probably all stock, like drivetrain.
It's the whole drivetrain. Everything's stock drivetrain-wise. Shocks, springs, suspension, everything is all stock. Brakes are stock. The only thing that's upgraded drivetrain-wise is like the Mantic twin disc that it has in it. So
God bless America.
That's
gonna kick some ass in the USA.
So you said you have a drag package on it.
Yes. So it's a skinny up front.
Did you just throw on?
This is, yeah, I just got these last week. So this is like my first, I did some roll racing with it and to test them out. They do feel like they hook up a lot better. Usually they have 19s on them stock, but this is an 18-inch and then a 17x10 in the back.
You know what? This is sick.
It should party.
Yeah.
That's the plan, you know.
I'm very glad you're here to party. Yeah. Clearly your competitor is here to party because he's driving a Fox body Mustang.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, those guys.
Man after my own heart.
We're giving away this 2021 Subaru WRX STI plus 20K cash. Our friends at Throttle are building it. Go to Hoonigan.com to enter to win.
What's happening?
What's up, sir?
Do you mind introducing yourself and telling us about this beautiful Fox body Mustang?
My name is Jonathan from Torrance, California. It's a 92 Fox body, 351 based, stroke, small block Ford.
Can we pull this hood off? Can we just get down to business?
Take it off.
You can just lift it on top.
Oh, there she is.
Boy.
Man, so carbureted
school.
351
Yes,
base.
sir.
What's the displacement on it?
It's a little bit over 400 cubic inches. Haven't dynoed on the motor. Roughly probably say around 500 to the wheels if I had to guess.
What's the weight on this thing though? Because that's where these tend to shine, right?
Probably right around 3,000 pounds.
So what does this typically run on the gas?
On nitrous, it should be somewhere in probably a high 8, low 9-second car.
So it's quick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Boogies.
On the motor, I'm not sure. I raced it a couple of times on the street, but never took it to the track.
This is a no prep car,
Yeah, I mean, you could run it either way.
but this is home. This surface.
I'd prefer concrete launch pad with VHT, but
What are we running for a rear end and
it's an 8.8. It has 373 gears and a 2810 Hoosier.
I see you got some strange axles in there?
Yeah.
The beautiful thing about these cars, they've been around for so long, so the setup's probably not too hard to figure out.
Yeah, they work
Absolute
pretty
formula
good.
to it, man. Got it dialed in.
It's all
Yeah,
tried
it's
and
like
true.
buy this, and you'll be fast. That's why when you see a Fox body in the street, say your prayers, because you don't know if you're about to get smoked or what the hell's gonna happen.
Well, I'll tell you what, boys, you want to talk about some racing here real quick? So, typically how we do this here, it's same race for the very first race, right? 1,000-foot, heads up, we see where the cars are at. If there's a big disparity, we can negotiate some terms, and, you know, if you guys got to get lengths or you need to do it from a roll, whatever. Sound good?
Let's do it.
I'm gonna go CTS-V Wagon, bro. He's not gonna get traction for shit, but maybe he can clear it on the top end. And it's just sick. Wagon, 6-speed.
This one's hard for me to call, man. I love both these things. Honestly, I hope they both win.
Well, there's definitely gonna be one loser on. The world doesn't work like that. Fox bodies scare me, and I hope the Fox body wins because I don't want it to kill me later.
I'm going with the double burgers with cheese. As much as I love CTS-Vs and wagons, 90s Fox body, Crenshaw boy all day, all night. I'm going with the Fox body.
When you got a Fuchs booty on some slicky boys, you gotta go Fuchs booty.
I'm gonna get a Mustang and I'm gonna pick you up. Oh! And we're gonna get a double burger with cheese.
And the Fuchs booty.
In the Fuchs booty, baby.
Goddamn drag racer, I swear.
Was that a jump?
Yeah, that was a jump. I went like this. And he said, yeah.
What are these?
I said when I drop. I said when I drop.
How could you show up with slicks and not how to do an arm drop?
He knows how to do it. Ah!
You got a red light.
Street racer, it's just natural, you know what I mean?
I mean, a chase is a race.
Chase is a race. So he got the W on that one. Jumped pretty early.
Yeah.
What do you want to do?
I don't know. 2 cars.
I'll give you 2 cars.
First for me.
Yeah, you better take the jump, too.
You
man.
did
It's
2
a best
cars
of-
and a hit
it's
or
a
a
best of
roll.
3, because if you lose this one, you're out.
done.
Hold on, get the game. All right, so here's what's going down, bro.
Zach, come on.
Obviously, you put
And that's
your
how you
cap
lose a
on him.
race.
You know what you're doing out here, and my man's sleepy at the line, right? So I think what we need to do is probably get 2 cars in the hit. Then, you know what? We'll run it back, right? We'll see what happens.
I'm cool with 2 cars in the hit.
Okay,
if
that's
that's cool.
fine.
Yeah.
From a dig?
Yeah, from a dig, yeah.
Okay.
I like
All
how
right.
he's, look at this man. Look at him. Just ice cold. He's like, yeah, don't worry about it. He's like,
Read them like a book.
like a Dr. Seuss book.
That was a little bit better.
Congratulations.
Hell yeah, thanks.
Yeah, what happened on the start?
Slipped the clutch a little too much and it just bucked it.
So now you have one race, and you have one race. You won by, what was it, 4 cars? 4 cars. You won by about 5 the first time. So what do you guys want to do? One in the flag?
I'm cool with that.
So we'll give the CTS-V a car, essentially shorten the track, and then they both go on the hand drop.
What are we doing here? We still racing?
Our man in the Mustang over here has a poker face on.
I know he doesn't smile.
He has a poker face on.
Am I allowed to say I've seen him around the streets before? I just see things from my peripherals. You know what I'm saying?
Show me the peripheral.
The peripheral.
Damn, these things are fast.
What just happened?
Dude,
Did that just happen?
That.
What?
Yeah, point the camera at you and talk about it.
Wait,
Okay, so we gotta jump. That was a heavy, sorry, Teague, you're a part of the show.
We were caught off guard by that, Tig. 4 cars.
Cadillac by 4?
By 4. And he jumped.
But
He jumped.
but he chased.
Why every car jump when you doing this? Everybody.
You know what? Maybe I should start flagging.
Yeah, you should, because he goes wiggly,
Yeah,
spirit jazz hands.
These are gold.
Yeah.
That's one way too bad.
Good run.
I mean, he jumped too.
Yeah.
Well, congratulations.
yeah.
You got it this time. I don't think I've ever seen a car do donuts like that on that was pretty good. What a race. That was great.
That was a good time, guys.
Your powers do
You're not gonna catch me.
I don't know. Will it help your bolt stay in your throttle body?
Let me go.